Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be playing SCR. We're going to start our route, if we're lucky enough to start our route, in Stepford Victoria and Stepford Central. So, I don't know why I'm starting here, I guess because it's a very short route. If the depot isn't busy, like it's not very busy. Oh god, I got a red signal. Oh, I got a yellow. Okay. This is actually way better than last time. So I'm in a very busy server. It's a public server. So expect some spads in the chat. Yeah, I have it. The cab is decent. I like the 357 a lot because the interior is not as narrow as the previous generation, like 158 it was, and the cab is pretty big for a Eurostar. I think that's what it's called. Okay, you got a yellow signal. Hope there's no train arriving here, so I guess we're okay for now. Why am I'm going too fast. Why is the train wiggling? The train was leaning a lot there.
This train is now approaching Stepford Central.
Okay. We're arriving at Stepford Central.
Stepford Victoria. This train
We stop at the SCR marker. Hope I don't get an AWS or anything. I think my next video I'll probably play something relevant like Terminal Railways. I mean, I like Terminal Railways. But in my opinion, before it used to be better than Rails Unlimited, but Rails Unlimited's got amazing scenery, so...
This is Stepford Central.
Oh no. We're leaving Stepford Central because we're about a minute late. Timing's okay on this route. But this is because there's a lot of traffic, like I was about to get a potential spot. Next stop is City Hospital.
This is a connect train to Stepford Victoria. The next station is City Hospital. This train is now approaching City Hospital.
We're at City Hospital. Well, that's the massive hospital that this is all going too fast.
financial quarter.
The station is very
Stepford
basic.
Victoria.
I like it, but it's a very
train has
basic
4 coaches.
station. It's like Holton Rake or Woodhead Lane. Wait, actually it's like Whitefield Lido. It has like the same gate stuff. So whatever. Oh. I didn't overshoot the
This is
platform.
City Hospital.
It's actually okay. Not bad. Especially for someone who hasn't played. Why is it green? Is it just me? Or does the interior look a lot... look. Oh, it's the light bulb. Like, look, the interior's kind of greenish here, and then here it's fine. I wish if there was toilets here, that
This is a
just
connect
there
train
when you
to
had to zoom in.
Stepford Victoria. The next station is Financial Quarter. This train is now approaching Financial Quarter.
Went over the speed limit for a bit, but we're arriving at the station, so that's why I went a bit slow. Oh god, I'm lagging! Why am I lagging? I mean, I know Stepford Central isn't this way, which is a very laggy station. But I don't know why. Guess we're just gonna do a bird's eye view, which is the best way to not get any lag. I mean, that's what I learned, but it doesn't look good. Oh wait, what is this gate supposed to be? Oh, it's supposed to be water. I'm not gonna stop at the SCR market. I'm lagging a bit.
This is Financial Quarter.
I like this station. It's a lot better than City Hospital. It's got a nice
Your
building.
attention, please.
Well, that was area.
0305. Stepford Connect Service to Stepford Victoria has been cancelled. This is due to a member of train crew being unavailable.
This is a Connect train to Stepford Victoria. The next station is Stepford Victoria.
We're arriving at Stepford Victoria. I have a yellow signal. Don't spad. I probably will. Especially when I'm going over the speed limit by a lot. Okay. I like this
train
kind
is
of viaduct. This is a bridge,
Stepford
but
Victoria.
it's not shaped like the
train
Western Coast
terminates
Viaduct,
here.
which is
All change,
actually a
please.
very good viaduct. It's actually amazing. And the stupid viaduct in close to St. Helens Bridge. Yeah. They should make it like Stepford Central,
Terminates here.
but not like Stepford Central.
Stepford Central.
Just normal. Okay, we're arriving here pretty quick. The stations also need some work. It looks underground, but it's not. So that's not a con. Okay.
This is
Step.
Stepford Victoria.
Yeah, boy.
This train terminates here. All change, please.
The 0306 Stepford Connect Service to Stepford Victoria